Okay, so we've actually done all the heavy lifting at this point. Now all we have to do is hook up the keyboard and maybe make it look a little prettier, and we're done. So let's go ahead and do the keyboard next. So I want to hook on the key press event, and I want to use the arrow keys to trigger those up, down, left, and rights. So first thing I'm going to do is on the document, I'm going to add a key press handler, which is going to be key press. And then we'll start with function key press, and it's going to take an event. And this time we need the event because we need to know which key was pressed. Actually, we want key down, I think, because arrows are non-printable. So key down, key down, key down. Okay, and then all we'll do for now is console.log event dot, just console.log event. And then reload. So it's not key down, I think it's all lowercase. So let's try that. Okay, so that worked. And then I'll click on the document and press some keys. Good, so I'm getting my jQuery events. And if you look at what's inside of here, you'll see that the main thing is this key code. We actually want this which right here. So which is the preferred method of tracking buttons and key presses in jQuery. And it actually is in JavaScript as well, because this key thing that I was using in events last week is not entirely standard. So exactly what you get for that key string, you might not get anything, or you might get something different. So depending on which browser you're in. So let's go ahead and use the which here. So I need to know the which codes for up, down, left, and right. So I'm going to log event.which. And let's go ahead and reload. So up is 38, left is 37, right is 39, and down is 40. So 38, let's go ahead and switch on event.which case 38, which is up, break, case 37, left, case 39 is right, break, and then 40 is down. Close off the switch. And then we want to block these keys because we don't want to do anything else with them. So event.stop propagation and event.prevent default. So for up, we'll call up, and left, right, and down. And then I find it easier to read with indentation. There, that should be it. So let's go ahead and save and reload. And I'm going to hide that. So let's get rid of this as well. Ooh. So that's everything we need for the keyboard.